So today I'll be doing a review on the Weller Universal Soldering Gun. Now this gun has a max of 140 watts, then a minimum of 100 watts. This soldering gun is made in Mexico. Most of you guys probably know Weller. It's probably the biggest soldering brand out there. I've had this gun for probably around 2 months now. This thing has performed spectacularly. It feels very quality made. So it has a variable trigger. The first click is 100 watts. The second click is 140 watts. It has an LED work light. Comes with 3 tips. Comes with this tip, regular soldering tip, and this tip. Comes with a little spool of soldering solder. Comes with a little Allen wrench for loosening up these bolts to replace your soldering tip. Comes in a nice blow mold case. Comes with a little thing of instructions. Must say this gun is very, very nice. Performs well. Heats up fast. It just feels nice to hold in your hands. Definitely feels quality. I must say that. Yeah, I've never had any issues with this gun. Done a lot of wiring on off-road lawnmowers with this thing, like wiring up LED light bars and things like that. Yeah, I highly recommend this gun. If you guys are interested in buying it, I would. And like and subscribe. Catch me in the next video. See ya.